Imagine having $5 for every single time someone visits your website, or basically for every single time you share a link to your friends, and you are able to get paid $5 for every single time someone watch a video of YouTube. Now, it might sound too complicated, but let me explain. First of all you have to do is grab a link from YouTube, your favorite video to be honest, or anything, and then paste that link onto the website we are gonna be showing you right now, and boom, you get $5 for every click. And this website that I'm gonna show you, it's gonna blow your mind. And so without further ado, we are going to go into the video right now. But before that, make sure if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on, because in this channel we make videos how to make money online and how to grow passive income online. So make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on. And if you guys are looking to get my #1 recommendation on how to make full-time income online, the link is in my first description. Go ahead and click that link if you're looking to make full-time income online. And without further ado, let's roll the video. And the website we're going to be talking about today, it's called Uizio.io. Now this is a website you have not heard before, and it basically it's a website that could help you generate income online. And basically by providing your link, or if you have a YouTube link of some video you like or any recommendation, you are gonna use this, and then whenever someone watch that video, you're gonna get money. Basically you're gonna get $5 for every single time someone watch that video. All right, so you're gonna earn $5 for every time someone watch that video. Now here's the website we're gonna be talking about. Now it's a website that can make your URL shortener. Now the idea of this website is very basic. Alright, basically all you have to do is grab a link and then add the link in here, and then it will generate for you short link. You are able to send that short link to everyone, and we are gonna also show you where you're able to paste that link to get most of the conversion, and how you can also get the videos. Now before we even go into all of that, let me show you what and how you are able to get paid. Basically they have a high rates payments. What basically means is they are gonna give you really good incentives for each time you send someone basically goes to the link, and there's low minimum payout, which basically means that $5 is the minimum payout, which you can get that for easily. And you can also get automatic withdrawal, that you don't even have to go and withdraw it every single time they're gonna send the money to you. And they have 11 basically million clicks already generated with this website, and there's all the link in there are 1.8 million, and there's already almost 40,000 people registered, and they pay through PayPal and Payer and web money. And that's about this. And let me show you payment proofs of people earning from this website. Now as you can see, these people are earning minimum $5 every single time. That's the minimum payout for each click that you're gonna do with this website. For example, this person, they're hiding the name, but all of these payments are basically, most of them are today, and some of them are on the 14th September. And you can see people are getting paid, and there's so much. You can scroll down and you can get there. And here's the rates for each stuff. All right, now once we're gonna go here, you can see minimum payouts is basically $5. They give you weekly every Monday, and payments are through PayPal and all of that. Now as you can see, United States are the highest. You are gonna get $6 to $8. United Kingdom are $5 to $6, and $4 for Belgium, and South Africa $4 to $5. Korea is $4 $5. Canada, United Arab Emirates $4 to $5. Singapore $4 to $5. And you see it keeps going on and on. You can see the lowest they have is $1. All right, you can see this is the lowest amount they can go with. It's basically 58 cents. And that's basically from VPN traffic. If they're using VPN traffic, you're gonna get 58 cents. So people who use VPN, it's gonna be less amount, but you can see Rwanda is 68 cents and Afghanistan is 92 cents. So that's about the payout rate that you can do. Now without further ado, all you have to do, I'm already signed in, but there's gonna be sign up in here. that you're gonna click, and then you're gonna add basically basic stuff like your username, your email, and your password, and all of that good stuff. Now here we're gonna come to YouTube, because here's where you're gonna most of your time spend your time into. And for example, this is a new trending video by Fortnite. All right, the reason why I'm taking this as an example, because usually something that is trending, or maybe people like Fortnite and all of that, these games, or maybe music, this is gonna be good fit for you, because people will be clicking on that link eventually. But if you just take a video, random video, maybe some videos that does not get any traffic, then it will be hard for you to convert to get people to click on that video. Now for example, this is the video we are talking about. It's from Fortnite. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna basically take this, and then we're gonna take it, and then we're gonna come back to the home page of this Uizio. And once we come to the home page, we are gonna be clicking, pasting the link in here, and then we're gonna click this so that we can generate a basically short link. This is the short link we have. We're gonna copy this. Now for the step 2, now step 2 is very important, so pay a close attention and do not skip, all right, so that you understand the entire concept of this video. Now we're gonna come to Twitter, all right, because usually Twitter has, like, people on Twitter, they are very committed. They are here for some, like, for maybe to engage with customers, or engage with people, or maybe share some stuff, talk about politics and all of that stuff. So Twitter is a way to go. All right, you can see all of these people are talking about Fortnite, and I just came here, and people are talking about Fortnite 2 seconds ago, 3 seconds ago, all of these are just recent videos, recent tweets about Fortnite. I just typed Fortnite in the search and I clicked latest, and as you can see, people are literally talking about Fortnite in here. Now if you guys don't know what I mean by that, is all you have to do is basically one thing. First of all, you have to tweet your thing. You're basically gonna tweet, you're gonna say basically we're gonna come in here, and then we're gonna copy this basically, because we need that so that people know what is this all about. All right, we're gonna tweet this, and then we're gonna say get a first look at Fortnite gameplay on PS5 with UE4. all right, so we're gonna come back to the URL shortener, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna paste it in here. And now make sure to add hashtags. So this is gonna be somehow of a research of you have to do. All right, the research that could be Fortnite, hashtag Fortnite PS5, hashtag all of that stuff. You're gonna tweet that, and then you're gonna basically tweet it. All right, now I'm not gonna tweet this right now, because I have to think about it. What do I have to say? And again, also you can, another way that you can come is all you have to do is basically come in here and then comment your hashtags, your link, but don't just paste it in here. All you have, and then once you are done with that, and then you're gonna also add some engagement or some clickbait stuff, like click on this link, a new video from Fortnite. They showed they are talking about their new PS5, their gameplay on their new PS5. So something like that you have to type on there, so that people will literally click, because if you just paste your link, they will be confused, and they will say, why would we click on this link? What is the matter? And so make sure to add some sort of information, and inform the users why they need to click, and then eventually people will click, and then that's how you're gonna get $5 for each click from YouTube. All right, this is very simple stuff that I urge you guys to do, because it's literally gonna make you a chunk of money from these websites that I share in my YouTube videos. Because if you don't take action, then you can't blame me for sharing all these tips and tricks. So make sure to try them out, and let me know in the comment section below why it doesn't work for you, and what makes things doesn't work for you. Is it the country? Because basically this website that I'm showing is basically available worldwide, because you are sharing a link with people, and then it depends on the countries that people click from. That's where the payout's going to be lower or higher. But if you are using this trick, make sure to use it, and then let me know if it doesn't work for you. And basically I'm here daily, every single day, showing you guys more ways to make money online. Now that's it for this video. Now if you guys like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and turn the notification on so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. And also one more note, side note, is there's 90% of my viewers watch my videos, they are not subscribed. what are you doing? Make sure to subscribe, because this channel is all about helping you to make money online. And if you guys are looking to make full-time income online and want to know how I started my income journey online, it's basically the first link in my description. That's why I share all these links in my YouTube description, because it's another way. If you guys are not here for these quick ways to make money, that link is for long-term income. It's a passive income that you could generate just from your laptop. It's a lifestyle, and that link will help you. And basically my mentor that is in the link, basically Dave Sharpie, he is really big guy, and he have made almost about $250 million just from online. And so make sure to click that link, and it will take you to my mentor page, and then you get all the information you want from there. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Peace.